Moen offers a wide range of showering valves to fit the needs of every homeowner. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a 1/2-inch Moen Moentrol shower valve using copper tubing in a shower surround. This is a thin finished wall shower-only installation. PEX and CPVC tubing can also be used. Follow the same basic steps, but use PEX and CPVC adapters when connecting to the valves. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill and drill bits, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, copper tube cutter, thread seal tape, plumber's putty, tape measure, level, and safety glasses if desired. You may also need to purchase some plumbing materials, such as 1/2-inch copper tubing, elbows and cap, plus a 1/2-inch winged elbow, 1/2-inch pipe nipple and cap, torch, fireproof membrane, and lead-free solder kit. Before getting started, shut off the main water supply. Step 2. Determine placement for the Moen Moentrol valve. We recommend positioning the center of the Moen Moentrol valve 45 to 48 inches from the finished floor. Your dimensions may vary based on your installation. Measure and cut a 5-inch diameter hole for the valve in your shower wall. Step 3. Install the Moen Moentrol shower valve. Start by removing the plaster ground. Since this is a shower-only installation, plug the tub drop opening. Cut and prepare a short piece of 1/2-inch copper tubing and cap. When soldering, it's very important to clean and prepare each fitting, and do not heat the valve any higher than necessary. Overheating may cause damage. Insert the tubing and cap into the tub drop outlet and solder all connections. Remove the red tape that holds the retaining clip in place during transport. Place the plaster ground on the valve. Position the valve behind the wall, then slide the stop tube and escutcheon onto the valve. Tighten the 2 screws to hold the valve in place. Step 4. Determine placement for the shower head. We recommend positioning the shower head 78 inches from the finished floor. The dimensions may vary for your installation. Measure and cut a 1-inch diameter hole for the shower arm in your wall. Step 5. Install the hot and cold supply lines and the shower riser. Measure and cut the appropriate length of 1/2-inch copper tubing for the hot and cold inlets. Measure and cut the proper length of tubing for the shower riser. Solder the 1/2-inch winged elbow to the shower riser. Attach the winged elbow to a cross member with 2 screws. Insert the shower riser into the shower port. Solder all connections. Use a fireproof membrane to protect the shower wall. Secure the cross member to the studs. Install pipe straps to hold the copper tubing in place. The last step is installing the remaining trim. Apply plumber's putty to the flange. Slide the flange onto the longer end of the shower arm, then wrap thread seal tape clockwise around both ends. Thread the longer end of the arm into the winged elbow until it's snug, and push the flange to the wall. Flush the system and check for leaks. Thread the shower head onto the arm and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Pull the cartridge stem out and make sure the notch is facing down. Place the washer included with the handle over the stem. The brake on the handle adapter should be positioned like this, so you can properly insert it into the stop tube. Secure the handle adapter in place with a screw. If you need to adjust the high limit of the hot temperature, loosen the stop tube nut, rotate it clockwise and tighten. This may need to be adjusted periodically as your cold water temperature changes throughout the year. Place the handle on the adapter and secure it in place with a set screw. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a Moen Moentrol shower valve using copper tubing is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.